In this lesson, we will find solutions of a system of 3 equations and 3 unknowns using matrix row operations. The system of equations is x minus y equals 5, 7x minus 3z equals 49, 7y plus 2z equals 14. And we'll start by writing the system of equations as an augmented matrix. The matrix will be first row 1, negative 1, 0, 5. Second row 7, 0, negative 3, 49. Third row 0, 7, 2, 14. Let's use row operations to convert this matrix into row echelon form. I have a guide here. I want to first of all get a 1 in row 1, column 1, followed by zeros below. Next, get a 1 in row 2, column 2, followed by a 0 below. And last of all, a 1 in row 3, column 3. Okay, so let's start with row 1, column 1. We already have a 1. Below that, I want to change this 7 into a 0. I can do that by taking row 2 plus negative 7 times row 1, which I'll do over here to the side. So row 2 is 7, 0, negative 3, 49. If I take negative 7 times row 1, I will have negative 7, 7, 0, negative 35. Adding these together, 0, 7, negative 3, 14. And this becomes my new row 2. 0, 7, negative 3, 14. Okay, so we'll move on. The next thing we want to get is a 1 in row 2, column 2. So to change the 7 into a 1, I can multiply the second row by 1/7. And I will then have a second row of 0, 1, negative 3/7, 2. Next, below this 1 that we just found, I want a 0. So to turn this next 7 into a 0, I will take row 3 plus negative 7 times row 2. So row 3 is 0, 7, 2, 14. Negative 7 times row 2 is 0, negative 7, 3, negative 14. Adding these together, I get 0, 0, 5, 0, and this goes into the third row. So 0, 0, 5, 0, my new third row. And next of all, I want to turn this 5 into a 1, so I'll multiply that third row by 1/5. And finally, we have a matrix in echelon form. And so we can see that we will want to rewrite this matrix as a system of equations next, starting with the lowest row and working up. And my lowest row, I will have z equals 0. Then moving up, the next row, y minus 3/7 z equals 2. I will substitute for z, that z value of 0, and that gives me y equals 2 as part of our solution here. So far we have z equals 0, y equals 2. We need to figure out what x is. I'll look at the first row here, rewrite that as x minus y equals 5, and I can substitute in 2 for the y, and x will be equal to 7 then. So my solution is 7, 2, 0. Try on your own. Solve the system of equations using row operations. X minus 3y plus z equals 2, x minus y plus z equals 1, and negative 2x plus 6y minus 2z equals 5.